Hello viewers, I am Roshmi. This is my 47th episode. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Kantha stitch along with cotton gadwal, check silk and zari border tassar. Let's start without wasting any time. I will start showing saris. Sari number 1, this is Kantha stitch on Bangalore silk. This is Aanchal. From Aanchal, the half sari is with this work. Kantha stitch, see the color and the volume of work. This is sari number 1, material is Bangalore silk, half sari with this work and half sari with the skirt border and buta. See the work. Price of this sari is 7,300, pure Bangalore silk, very good quality with silk mark tag. This is sari number 1. Color is midnight blue. Now sari number 2 is, the price of this sari is 7,850. This is based on tassar, gachi tassar. This is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal, Kantha stitch with bandage. This is yellow bandage and it will come in the pleats, in the kuchi. It will be like this. This is the look of the sari. And the blouse piece is, this is the blouse piece in green. Sari number 2, 7,850. See, this is the sari with tassar with silk mark tag. Sari number 3, this is also 7,850. The base color is black. Material is pure gachi tassar. Pure gachi tassar with dye. This is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal. The base color is black with all over buta and border. All over buta and both side border. This is the look of the sari. This is Aanchal portion. Price is 7,850 with silk mark tag. This is the blouse piece. Material is pure gachi tassar. Price 7,850. Then sari number 4. This is also tassar. This is the sari. From Aanchal to half sari with this Kantha work. With this Kantha work. And the half sari with border and print, yellow color, with yellow color print and border. See, this is the sari. Half sari will be like this and the rest half is like this. This is the rest half. Yellow with block print and border. This is the border. And the blouse piece is also yellow. This is the blouse piece. Price again 7,850, material gachi tassar and silk mark tagged. Now I will show you gadwal. These all are cotton gadwal. I will show you the color combination only. See, this is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal and this is the base color. This is the base color. It is a short color, green with maroon. Price 5,200. These all are cotton gadwal. 5,200 is the price. Next one, very unique combination. Though it is very common, red and white and red, yeah, tassar and red, but still, as puja is coming, this is the color. This is Aanchal portion and the base color is tassar. Price again 5,200. Base color is tassar with checks. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is another cotton gadwal. Price is same 5,200. This color is mehendi green with purple border, mehendi green with purple border. Price is again same, 5200. These all are cotton Gadwal. This is another one, Tasar with Rani border, Tasar color with Rani border. There are self checks also. Even I am wearing a cotton Gadwal today. This is Tasar color with Rani border. Price is 5200. The last Gadwal, this one is grey. This is also a short color with Rani border. With purple and Rani combination, it is, you can say, magenta border also. The price is again 5200. This is also a cotton Gadwal. See the look. This is the sari. Now I will show you a new item. It is not new, but in this season first time I am showing this check silk. Check silk with silk mark tag. Sari number 10. Sari number 10 with red and black combination, script and black boxes. This is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal. I will show you the sari in this way. It will be easier for you to understand. This is the look of the sari. And the pleats portion will be like this. And this is the pleat portion. These checks will come in the pleats parallelly, right? This is check silk, and the price of this silk is check silk is 3000. This is also silk mark tagged. Sari number 11, another check silk. This is Aanchal portion. Half portion of the sari will be like this, with parrot green and royal blue combination. Half sari will be like this, and the rest half with green combination. See, this will be the sari. Price again 3000. All the check silks are also silk mark tagged. Now sari number 12. This is yellow and black combination. Aanchal portion. This is Aanchal portion. Check silk is very comfortable material. Pleats will be like silk. This is a mixture of silk and modcast thread. The entire sari is black with yellow. See, this will be the look. Price 3000. 3000 is the discounted price. Sari number 13. This is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal. And the entire sari with this gun spray and block print. Viewers, you can book the saris on through my WhatsApp number 9330866384. This is Aanchal portion. Price is 3000. All the check silks are of 3000. This is sari number 14. This is with the combination of two blues, royal blue and turquoise blue. This is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal and it will go like this way. See, this will be the look. This is the Aanchal, and the blouse piece is also blue, turquoise blue. Price again 3000. Next one, sari number 15. Sari number 15 is with orange and blue combination. Blue, you can say this one is dark blue. See, this is aanchal portion. It will come in the aanchal. Body will be like this with the waves, orange and blue waves. It is a combination of orange and blue. See, this will be the look. And the blouse piece is orange. Price again 3000. Next one, sari number 16. Sari number 16 is of red color. Aanchal portion. This will be aanchal portion, and the entire sari will be like this, red with this zigzag print. See, the entire sari is same. I will show you. This is the look of the sari. This is aanchal, and the blouse piece is grey. Blouse piece is grey. Price 3000. Sari number 17. 17 is also green with blue combination. So this is aanchal portion. It will come in the aanchal with both side border. This is only with both side border. This is the sari, and the blouse piece is blue. Price 3000. Sari number 18 is orange with grey and maroon print. This is aanchal portion. It will come in the aanchal. Sari will be like this. This is also with both side border. Sari will be like this. Price is 3000. Material is check silk. This is the look of the sari, and the blouse piece is rani color. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 19. This is also a check silk. This is aanchal portion. After that, sari will be like this. After aanchal, the entire sari will be like this. This is the look of the sari, and the blouse piece is shaded with gun spray. This is the blouse piece. This is sari number 19. Now I will show you some zari border tasar. Sari number 20. Very common combination. Rani color with both side border and print. Discharge print. This is aanchal. This is aanchal portion with zari border. Silk mark certified. Price is 4850. See, this will be the entire sari. Price is 4850. Next one, sari number 21. This is on white base, tasar base. See, this is the look of the sari with the face. This is aanchal. The entire sari with this, and the blouse piece is orange. This is the blouse piece. Price again 4850. All the tasars and check silks are silk mark certified. This is another one with yellow and black combination. See, this is the entire sari. This will be the look of the sari. Yellow with black border. This is aanchal. Price is again 4850. Material is zari border tasar. price 4850. The blouse piece of this saree is also black. Saree number 23, very sweet color. Material is pure gachi tasar. Color is peach color. See, this is also a saree of both side border. This is the look of the saree. This is Aanchal. The color is peach color. This is the saree. Price is 4850 with silk mark tag. Last saree of today's episode. This is saree number 24. Orange and Rani combination. So this is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal. The entire body is like this with Rani border and base color is orange. Material is tasar, pure gachi tasar. This is the look of the saree. Price is again 4850. Viewers, you have seen 24 sarees. I think you will like it. If you like my episode, share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. My phone number is 9330866384. You can book or call on this number. You can WhatsApp me in this number also. And we deliver throughout India, taking the advance payment. So you can contact me on my number. Thank you.